If you want to get a lead using Zoho CRM in N8n, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. By the end, you'll know how to open your workflow, add the Zoho CRM node, select the Get a Lead action, and configure the data you want to retrieve. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more N8n automation tutorials. Let's get straight into it. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8n. This could be an existing automation you've already built or a new workflow that you want to connect to Zoho CRM. Once you're inside the workflow editor, you're ready to add a new node. Now go to the nodes panel and search for Zoho CRM. You can either type it into the search bar or scroll through the available apps until you find it. When you see Zoho CRM, click it to add it to your workflow. This opens up the Zoho CRM node settings so you can choose the action you want to perform. Next, choose Get a Lead. This is the option you'll use when you want N8n to pull lead information from Zoho CRM. Selecting this action tells the workflow that you want to retrieve an existing lead record rather than create or update one. After that, configure what to get. This is where you define the specific lead data you want N8n to return. Depending on your setup, you may need to enter the lead ID or choose the fields and values you want to use for the lookup. Make sure the configuration matches the lead record you want to access, so the node can return the correct information. Once your settings are in place, save the node and test the workflow to make sure it retrieves the lead properly. If everything is configured correctly, N8n will connect to Zoho CRM and pull the lead data you need. And that's it. You've now learned how to get a lead using Zoho CRM in N8n. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more simple automation guides just like this one.